Hi there, I am back with the brand growth idea number 28, that is create small wins. As humans, we love to win. As business owners, we crave to win. And that is why customers come to us because they love to win. And when you create small wins for your customers, it actually hikes their trust level. They trust you more, they start believing in your process, and they believe that you can actually help them win. How do we do that? Whether you are a service provider or a product seller, you need to create small wins for the customer. We all know about the brand activations that happen at the retail level or the FMCG level, but why we cannot do that at the service level? We certainly can do it with digital marketing. It is possible. To give you an example, we were working on a health and wellness consultants brand, and what we did is, parallelly while creating the brand, we started working on email list building for her. Now, before the website and other things could be made live, we worked on the list building for her consumer base, and that went as a success. The sales funnel worked effectively, and we generated almost a list of 100 people who were keen on receiving her newsletters, recipes, as well as the free plans which she was offering as a free giveaway for 7 days. Now that's how you created a small win. If somebody subscribed to your free plan, if the giveaway was successful, now out of those 100 people, imagine if 40 of them actually follow the 7 days meal plan and 20 convert, or let's say only 10 or 5 convert. You have created a small win not only for those 5 people or the 10 people who followed your meal plan, but in turn you have actually earned 5 clients for yourself. And that's exactly what happened in this case. The client was not even informed, and we just tried running a domain cycle on that, testing the waters on the keywords, as well as testing the local market for her. This was the success. In turn, the client trusted our process. They believed that what we were suggesting about creating sales funnel and how to go about digital marketing, she believed in us, and it was easier to convince her on doing things the way we were suggesting. So that's how creating small wins actually help. You all must be using LinkedIn for professional networking. If you see, LinkedIn offers 1 month of free premium usage to everybody. Why they do that? When you use the premium version of LinkedIn, which is a free trial version for 1 month, they help you create small wins in your profile algorithms, in offering you courses, and in offering you trials for other LinkedIn products like Sales Navigator, etc., which I am sure is not offered to everybody. It depends on profile to profile, but it is offered in the free trials. So once you do that, you actually get to know the elements and how you can better use LinkedIn for marketing. You can better understand the LinkedIn algorithms. So that's where LinkedIn actually gives you a demonstration of all the powerful digital marketing tools that it is offering. So it creates small successes for you, and thereby convinces you to use the LinkedIn premium feature for always. Why? Because it helped you succeed in a small way. You trust the product and the features of the product more. So that's the brand growth idea of today. Create small wins and see how customers start trusting you even more. I'll be back with the next brand growth idea. Until then, happy branding.